Good morning students, welcome to Student Global Institutions online classes. Students, this is your maths class and today we will discuss about new chapter, chapter 7, and the chapter name is Geometrical Shapes. Okay students, and in our previous class we have learned about the geometrical shapes. So first discuss what we have learned in our previous class. Okay, so today we will discuss about square and rectangle and circle and triangle. Okay, these are geometrical shapes. This is square, this one rectangle, this one circle, and this is a triangle. Okay, so now first we discuss the properties of these shapes. Okay, so first we discuss about square. This is a square. Okay, square has four sides. Okay, four sides. Square has four sides. Okay, it has four corners. It has four corners. Okay, and all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. That is called square. Understood? It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Understood? All the sides are equal in this shape, and square has four sides. Square has four corners. Corners A, B, C and D. Four sides AB, comma BC, comma CD, comma D, and four corners A, B, C and D. And all the sides are equal. Understood? It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to D. These are the properties of this shape, and this is called a square. Understood? Next, we have a second shape. We have four sides. Okay, this shape is called a rectangle. Understood? This shape is called a rectangle. Rectangle has four sides. Okay, it has four sides. Four sides AB, BC, CD or D. Okay, the name of four sides AB, BC, CD and D. Okay, it has four corners. Four corners name A, comma B, comma C, comma D. These are corners. Okay, and the opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Okay, it means AB is equal to BC and BC is equal to AD. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Okay, these are the properties of rectangle. Okay, rectangle has four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, and it has four corners A, B, C, D, and the last property, the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Okay, next step, triangle. Next step, triangle. Triangle has three sides. It has three sides: AB, BC, and AC. Okay, AB, BC, and AC. Okay, it has three sides: AB, BC, and AC, and it has three corners: A, B, C. A, B, C. It has three corners. All the sides may be equal or not equal. Okay. All the sides may or not be equal. Okay. Understood? Next say. Next is circle. Okay, this is a circle. This is the center of circle. Circle has no corner. Circle has no corner, and it has one curved edge. One curve is okay. Circle has no side, circle has no corner, and circle has one curve is. Understood? So students, these are the geometrical shapes which we have learned in our previous class. So today we will start our first exercise. Exercise 7A. Okay. Exercise 7A. So sir, take out your book and open exercise 7A. Question number A. Some of the road signs have basic shapes. Write the name of the shape below each by using the letter S or T or C. Okay. So first shape is this is a circle. So we fill C. Okay. Second is also a circle. So we will see in third shape. This is a square. Okay, this is a square because in this square all the sides are equal. So this is a square and we fill S. S means square. Okay. Next. Question number 4. This is a rectangle because rectangle has four sides and the opposite sides are equal. Understood? So we fill rectangle R. Okay? R means rectangle. 5 number. Question number 5. Question number 5. This shape is called triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and all the sides may be equal or not may be equal. Okay? So this is a triangle and we fill T. T means triangle. Understood? Question number B. Color is square, red rectangle, yellow triangles, blue and circles, green. Okay, we have to fill the colors in these shapes. Color is squares, red means the square shape. Color squares, red. Okay, we have a shape. We have shape. Okay. Given that color is squares, red, rectangles, yellow. Okay. This is a rectangle shape, and we color it with yellow because this is a rectangle and this is a triangle. Triangle is colored by blue color. Okay, rectangle is blue and the circle is green. So we color the circle with green and the rectangle with yellow and the triangle with blue. Okay, understood? So color all the shapes, rest all the shapes. Okay. Question number C. Copy the pattern by freehand drawing. Okay, you have to copy the pattern. Next, continue the series in the flag. Okay, we have to continue the series. A flag is given in the question, and we have to continue the series. Look, this is a flag. This is a shape like a flag, okay? And these shapes are given first. Okay? These shapes are given and we have to continue the shapes. So students, these type of questions, rest all the questions do yourself. Okay, so it's enough for today, and if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay friends, so in our next time we will start exercise 7B. Okay, so now write on your homework. Do exercise 7A. Do exercise 7A. Okay, thank you.